This is Algebra 1, Lesson 79, and this lesson covers systems of equations with subscripted variables. Alright, so this one asks us to solve the following system of equations for RA. Okay, and when we look at these, I know these look confusing, but think of rate times of Allen times the time of Allen, the rate of Penny times the time of Penny. Think of it like that. Alright, so this one's going to be our base equation, and then we're going to plug in these values into that base equation. Okay, so we're going to take our RA, we don't have anything that will equal RA, times our TA, that's this one right here. Okay, so TA is 3, so RA times 3 plus RP, that's this one, 50, times TP, which is this one, 4, equals 320. Okay, now we just have to solve. 3 times RA would be 3. RA plus 5 times 4 would be 20, that would be 200, equals 320. Now we're going to subtract 200. We're going to get 3. RA equals, that would be 120. Then we just divide by 3. We could say 3 times 4 is 12, so that'd be 40. And there's the answer for that one. We just solved for RA. Alright, let's try the next one. Solve for RT. So this time we have two different things we're trying to find, are R and TT. No, TR and TT. Yep. See, I told you these could get confusing. Alright, so here's our base equation, this one. Alright, so RT, do we have any RT? RT equals 2. Alright, so we're going to plug that in. Okay, times TT. TT equals TR. So we're going to put TR plus 120 equals RR. Oh, we know what that is. 10 times TR. Now, I don't want to say, oh, TR equals TT. What I'm trying to do is get down to one variable. So the variable I already have is TR, so I want to use that. So times TR. Now we only have one variable and we can solve. That would actually just be 10TR. I could get rid of this parentheses right here. Alright. Now, I want to get my TRs together, so I'm going to say minus 2TR. And I'm going to get 120 equals 8TR. And then I'm going to divide by 8. And I need 120 divided by 8. 8 times 1, 8. 8 and 4 is 12. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, so 15. So TR equals 15. That's not it though. I need to find TR and TT. So to find that, I can just look in one of these equations. Oh, TR and TT are equal to each other. So that would also be 15. So there's the answer to that one. Not super hard. You're just substituting in your values. Alright, so here's our base equation. RLTL equals RSTS. Okay, so RL is 40. Plug that in. TL, we're just going to leave that and make that be our variable that we're looking for. RS, that's 80. TS equals TL minus 5. Oh, we need to multiply that times it. Hang on. Okay, so basically we're multiplying times TS, and TS is TL minus 5, so we substitute that value in where it says TS. So we're going to say TL minus 5. Alright, so we're going to have to rainbow this part. So first we got 40. TL equals 80 TL. And then we need 80 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40, that'd be 400. Alright, so now we got to get those on the same side. That would be negative 40 TL equals negative 400. Now we're going to divide by negative 40. And that's going to come out to TL equals 10. We were supposed to solve for TL and TS. So we've got TL equals, and then TS equals. Our TL we figured out was 10. Now we can just plug that value into here. So this says that TS is equal to TL, which is 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. So TS equals 5. Alright. Another one to solve here. We'll use this as our base, this first one. TF is 16. We need to fit that in. So RF times 16. TE is 12. And then RE equals, okay, so if TE is 12, go ahead and put that in. Now we're multiplying it times RE, which is RF plus 15. Okay, that would be 16 RF equals 12 times RF. We got a rainbow right there. Plus 12 times 15. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, 3. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 8. 180. Alright, so now I got to get my RFs on the same side. I'm going to subtract from both sides. And I'm going to get 16 minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. RF equals 180. Then I just have to divide by 4. And I get RF equals, let's see, 180 divided by 4. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 2, 20. 5 times 4 is 20, 45. We were asked to solve for RF and RE, so we know RF is 45. Now I need RE. Okay, to find that, we're going to use this equation. RE equals RF plus 15. So if RF is 45, we need 45 plus 15. 45 plus 10 would be 55, and then 5 more would be 60. So 45, 60 would be the answer to that one. Alright, I think that's all on the example problems. Go ahead and pause the video and work these practice problems, and then I'll come back and work them for you. Alright, so practice A. It just says given. That just basically means solve it, if you know this information. Alright, so we've got this our base equation, RA TA plus RP TP equals 460. Now we're just going to plug these values in. So RP is 50. I need to find RP and put my 50. Okay, and that's going to be multiplied by whatever TD is, or TP. TP is 4, so that goes times 4. Okay, RATA. TA is 2. So RA times 2. And we're supposed to find RA. So our answer is going to be RA equals something. Alright, so now we're going to multiply here. So we're going to have 2RA plus 4 times 5 is 20, so that would be 200 equals 460. We're going to subtract this 200. We're going to get 2RA equals 260. Alright, and then next we have to divide by 2. Get rid of this 2 over here. And that is going to be, let's see, half of 200 would be 100, and half of 60 would be 30, so 130. And I'm going to double check that real quick. Bear with me. Yep, 130 is the answer. So RA equals 130. Alright, let's do the next one. B. Okay, so we've got our base equation is RT TT plus 200 equals RR TR. Alright, so over here we've got RT is 10. So we'll put that in right here. Then we've got RR is 15. We'll put that in right there. And then we got TR is TT plus 10. So we're going to leave this TT and this 200. And then when we get to TR, we're going to put in TT plus 10. So I just took this value and I subbed it in for that. Alright, so now I have 10 TT plus 200 equals, now I got a rainbow right here, 15 TT plus 15 times 10 would be 150. Alright, now I got to get my t's together, so I am going to subtract 10 TT and I get 200 equals 5 TT plus 150. Now I'm going to subtract 150. That'll be 50 equals 5 TT. Now I'm going to divide by 5. And I'm going to get TT equals 50 divided by 5, which is 10. We're supposed to solve for TT and TR. To get TR, I'm going to say TR equals, I'm just pulling this equation right here, TT plus 10. Okay, I know that my TT is already 10, so I'm going to say TR equals 10 plus 10. Okay, because this one's the one I subbed in, TT. Now it'll be 20, so TR equals 20. Alright, so that's the answer to B. And that's all for Lesson 79. Thanks for watching.